Hello, this is Shubham from TechWala YouTube channel and you're watching a fresh new episode of Fast Tutor. So, most of the time many users wanted to edit their pictures and photographs or sometimes some GIF or PNGs for their personal use, but they don't want to use the heavy duty softwares like Photoshop and others. So, what's going to be happen if you are not a professional user but you wanted to edit your photographs and other pictures in just few seconds or few minutes in laptop or a computer system. So today I am going to discuss about these various free tools that going to be alternative for the Photoshop and other software. Before we get started, make sure that you subscribe the TechWala YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification first from my channel. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So today I am going to introduce you the two most powerful tools that must be the alternative for the Photoshop. Number one is a GIMP tool. Number two is a Photoscape. Let's begin. So firstly, we are going to see the GIMP tool. So what is GIMP tool? Let's take this by the video tutorial. This one is the first look for the GIMP tool when you installed it and open it. It is very similar to the Photoshop, but I said that it is an alternative for the Photoshop. How? Let's take it as an intro. This one is a complete intro session, so I am not going to teach you how to use the GIMP. I am just giving you the quick introduction to the GIMP tool. So let's try to edit some pictures. Not open as a layer, but actually opens the pictures. Suppose I am going to edit this YouTube pictures. So what can I do? I can do the select here. Here the developer provides the select tool, free select tool, the fuzzy select tool, then select by color. What actually do? All the white colors will get selected. All the red colors will get selected. It's a very cool. See the select tool. Then eraser is also get. Let's check the eraser. It's really nice. Then other one is here the brushes are get provided. Suppose I will this. Wow, it's really cool. If I am going to take it as star, then it gives you the result for the stars. Here the different kinds of brushes are provided. Right? This is cool. You can also add the text to this, edit it, change the colors, change the fonts, and do lots of things. Also here are the layers provided, and suppose you want to what's this? Clone. You can make a clone of it also. What it does? Let's check it. I am very first time using it. No, nothing going to better. Okay. You understand how the GIMP tool can be the alternative for the Photoshop and how it is too much easy. As you can see, I can edit, merge, select and do the lots of things as a Photoshop can do, and it provides a lots of many tools. Here are some menus provided with the GIMP tool. You can make some sessions. You can make some sessions to be a master in the GIMP tool also. So you just need some practice to make a wonderful art in the GIMP tool. Then number 2 is the Photoscape. Photoscape is also the most powerful tool and must be the alternative for the Photoshop and other heavy-duty photo editing softwares. So, what actually means Photoscape? What I mean to say, what a Photoscape can do. Let's dig in. This one is the very first look to the Photoscape when you download and install it for the very first time. Here you got the various tools like editor, batch editor, page combine, animated GIF, print splitter, screen capture, color picker, raw converter, rename and print paper of viewer. So today we are just focusing on the editor, but you can visit the other features of the Photoscape also. So just click on the editor. Wow. Here you can find and browse your images. Okay, then here I will edit the same image. So what gonna to be happen? Here are some basic tools are provided. Firstly, take it as a crop. Then here are the various. Look at here. Here are various crop options are provided as some aspect ratio and free crop also. Crop round image. Then here you can put the color also. What's in tool? Here is a print brush, clone stamp, eye reduction, mole removal, mosaic. Mole removal. Let's check what's this. I think it's only work on the black color. Here you can insert some pretty good objects. See, here I am inserting the rectangle, then insert circle. It's very cool. Suppose wow, what's this? I can insert some icon also. Here the lots of icon can give provided or given with the Photoscape. So at very first time you must check it out first. Look at how much pretty good. A Photoscape software is much good if you are a YouTuber and wanted to develop your own thumbnails for the videos. Let's take some intro. Here are the basics, some just like a frames and all. Look, some pretty cool background or a frame is created. What's this scroll can do? Okay, the width for the photo frame get increased. We can add the film effect also. Look, here are lots of effect for the images given. You can apply the any one of it. If you can sharpen it. Here the lots of tool is provided with the Photoscape also, like GIMP and mainly Photoshop. The Photoscape is a best alternative. If you are using the Photoscape and the GIMP togetherly, then you can easily beat the Photoshop in the photo editing. Still the Photoshop is get good because it is a paid version and both the Photoscape and the GIMP2 are the freelance version. So obviously the freelance versions are not as good as, but it's still good if you are a beginner and you wanted to edit your basic images of your own or family and other friends also. So this is about the Photoscape. The download link for both the software is in the description, so check it out first. I hope friend you enjoy this video. Please like, share and subscribe my Tech Valley YouTube channel for more exciting technology videos. I will come on next video very soon. So bye bye.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the Tech Valley YouTube channel for more exciting technology videos.